Welcome to XYes, China's specialist in vertical conveyor solutions. We operate at in-house manufacturing bases, handling everything from design to production. Here is our main assembly workshop, where VRC-type continuous lifters are being built today. Our continuous lifters are designed for high-speed and stable vertical transport, fully customizable to project requirements. Our stainless steel models are ideal for food, pharmaceuticals, and hygiene-critical environments. Besides continuous lifters, we build forklift lifters, Z-type lifters, and more. From welding, grinding to assembly, all key processes are completed in-house. Strict assembly procedures ensure stability and safety for every machine. Each unit undergoes multiple rounds of operation testing and quality checks before shipment. This is our professional team, ready to support your project anytime. Thank you for watching. Contact Ada for project consultation.